Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, like this video to get this video in front of many other people. Subscribe if it's your first time here so that you will not miss future videos. So today, many South Africans who bank with a certain bank called Capitec Bank woke up to shocking news on their screens. There had been unauthorized deductions, many unauthorized deductions on several bank accounts belonging to thousands of South African bankers. And these mysterious deductions actually happened very early on Friday morning. That many people started panicking and thought it was a hack. Many people thought Capitec Bank had been hacked, and there were some hackers that were transferring monies from the banking accounts of the bank's clients very early in the morning, whilst people were still asleep anyway. So, for example, many of the deductions were happening at retail stores, which only open at 8 a.m. But these deductions were, the transactions were showing that somebody had a transaction at 2 a.m., at 1 a.m., at 3 a.m., whilst the retail shops are still closed. So the mystery was initially thought to be a hack. So people started posting their screenshots on social media, via WhatsApp, on Twitter, trying to get to the bottom of why their monies were disappearing from their accounts. Eventually, Capitec Bank released a statement to say that it was actually a technical glitch and not a hack. But that did not seem to appease the frustrations and anger from the banking public. You watch the video to the end to see some of the comments from Capitec Bank clients. So, like this video, leave a comment in the comments box below. I would like to hear what you think about this whole drama at Capitec Bank. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like the video, share the video. Until next time, bye.